Welcome back. Murgaon municipality employees have threatened to go on a one-day strike on 16 December. They are agitated as Urban Development Department is not reimbursing dearness allowance as per the 6th Pay Commission. They have demanded to revert back the decision.
The Murgaon municipality employees are agitated as their DA is discontinued. They said that their DA was regular during the 4th and 5th Pay Commission. Suddenly, the Urban Development Department has stopped their DA. The chief officer in Murgaon had intimated the Murgaon employees on the same. Elvis Gomes says, the dearness allowance was paid during the 4th and 5th Pay Commission. After implementation of 6th Pay Commission, DMA has stopped funding of DA to the Murgaon municipal employees. Hence, the employees have threatened to go on a strike if the decision is not reverted back and dearness allowance is not granted.
चीफ ऑफिसरान आमकां एक नोटीस धाडली की तुमची DA काडटा म्हणून 2006 पासून आमची चालू आसली आतां मदींच आमकां सांगलें की तुमची जे DME आसा ते तुमकां फंड धाडना तेका लागून आमी तुमची DA काडटा.
Our reporter in Murgaon, Surendra Madkaikar.
Those wishing to know what is Arabian cuisine, then the place to head to is Cafe Azul at Siddharth de Goa. A special 10-day Marhaba Arabia Food Festival is offering the best of Arabia cuisine. The festival caters to both vegetarians as well as non-vegetarians.
Discover the mystique and mystery of Arabia through its cuisine at Siddharth de Goa's Cafe Azul. The restaurant is offering its special Marhaba Arabia Food Festival to its guests. The 10-day festival offers the best of Arabian cuisine. Dishes are served on platters to the guests. Some of the dishes worth trying are the maize platter, which consists of chickpeas, crushed wheat and meatball soup. There are dishes specially cooked for those who are vegetarians. Also the shawarma chicken, samak ke hara, which is grilled fish, minced lamb and other delectable dishes cannot be avoided. The dessert platter too is simply irresistible.
Arabic food, Arabic cuisine has its own unique flavors now. Our clients, like there have been a lot of people who have been demanding for Mediterranean Arabic kind of food. So in fact, when we had the similar festival last year, we had a very good response. So keeping that in mind, we have designed something different with the Arabic flavors, but on platter this time. And I'm sure a lot of very good response we'll get this time.
Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
Collecting coins and stamps is an enjoyable hobby, but to have a collection of about 5,000 postal stamps, 180 coins and varied Ganesh pictures and info on freedom fighters is really extraordinary. Narayan Chari has it all for you. Have a look.
Narayan Chari lives in Sal Bicholim. He has been collecting different types of postal stamps from different places in the world. He has a collection of different types of coins. This hobby turned into his assets when he realized that he has about 180 different types of coins. He also has different pictures of Lord Ganesh. Have a look.
भक्ती पहिलीपासून ल्हानपणान आसा आनी तेच्या श्रद्धेनूच हें सगळें जाल्लें आसा. हांव स्वता कितें आर्टिस्ट न्हू 10वी पर्यंत जालां शिक्षण म्हजें आनी ते जसो जसो तो म्हाका दिता चालना म्हाज्या मनान त्या पद्दतीन हांव करीत गेलां. हुतात्मे जे जाल्यात भारतान 198 हुतात्म्यांची म्हायती आनी स्पेशली त्या भुरग्यां खातीर कलेक्शन तर आसाच. कलेक्शन खंयचें करूंक जाय तें करूंक शकतात ते खूब कलेक्शन आहा. पण माहिती हुतात्म्यांची कळोवच्या खातीर 198 हुतात्म्यांचे फोटो सकट थोडक्यात माहिती हांवें थंय लायिल्ली आहा.
Our reporter in Bicholi, Uday Parab.
The fishermen at Kaiswa and Shapora are happy with the progress of the sandbar removal work. The sandbar was a C block to the fishing activity. The fishermen had asked the government to remove the sandbar as they were facing loss in their fishing business. The captain of both has, however, commenced the work.
The fishermen in Kaisua Shapura were worried with the sandbar settlement in the sea. They had made various applications to the government authorities mentioning their grievance. They said that their fishing activities are getting hampered due to this sandbar. Siolim MLA Dayanand Mandrekar informed us of more.
आमच्या बोटकाराचें कितें आसा हांगा जर सुक्ती जर आसली जायत जाल्यार ताका कितें मेळटा माल मेळटा कितें तें देव जाणा पूण तो माल घेवन ताका थंय जो पर्यंत हांगर भरती येना तो पर्यंत तांकां बोट हांगर हेका लावंक मेळना म्हणजे माल थंय जाल्यार तापोवन पिड्ड्यारूय जावंक शकता.
Chairman of Shapura Boat Owners Association Vishwajit Parab said that they are glad with the assistance provided by the captain of ports.
कांयसुवा शापोरा पळय पोर्टाचो आमचो मेन प्रॉब्लम आसलो सँड बाराचो हे आमी कित्येक वर्सां जाली हांगर डिमांड करताले गोवोरमेंटा कडेन की आमकां हांगर खोलावपाचें आहा जाल्यार सँड बार जो शापोरा नदीच्या मुखार पळय तोंडार पडला तो काडा म्हणून तो काडल्या उपरांत आमच्यो बोटी सुरळीत भायर भितर जाय तेन्ना येवपाक मेळटा. ह्यान पयलीं आमकां बोटी सुकत्यो बोरतेच्योच भायर भितर बोरतेच्योच भितर घालूंक मेळटा आनी बोरतेच्योच भायर काडूंक मेळटा. सुकतेच्यो कांयच करूंक मेळना. आमचे आतां फूल कोस्टाक एक ऑगस्टाक बोटी सगळ्यो सुरू जाता पूण ह्यो आमकां शापोरान सुरू करूंक मेळना. आमकां ऑक्टोबर म्हयनो वचवाडटा शापोरान सुरू करता म्हणसर. आमी गोवोरमेंटा कडेन जाले 1 वर्ष 3 म्हयने पयलीं हो प्रोजेक्ट आमी आतां रिसेंटली परत हे केलो कॅप्टन ऑफ पोर्ट्सा कडेन एप्रोच केल्ले की तुमी तरी तो आमकां काडून दिया म्हणून. बरोबर 1 वर्स 3 म्हयन्याच्या नंतर आमी हायड्रोग्राफीक सर्वे करून कॅप्टन ऑफ पोर्ट्सान आयज सँड बार करपाचो काडपाचो स्टार्ट केला.
Our reporter in Shapura, Shyam Sundar Fatte.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.